YouTube? How y'all doing today? I got this 2011 Jeep Wrangler with a 3.8 liter V6. Customers complaining of the check engine light being on. It's setting a PO128 thermostat code. A very common problem. Anyways, I'm going to show you how to replace this today. It's pretty easy. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. First what we're going to do is get this intake boot out of our way. Use a 8mm 5/16 flathead screwdriver. Unplug your intake air temperature sensor. Grab your little flathead action. Pull up on that red locking tab. Push in on that tab and pull it off. Pop your boot off. Lean it to the side. Now we're going to unplug our throttle body. Easier said than done. Grab me a pair of pliers here. Just got double tabs. And this connector's really brittle, so it's trying to break on me. We're going to see if we can just leave it plugged in. Let's take our throttle body off. Now I know those look like star head bolts, and they are, but you can use just a regular 6.8mm. Retrieve those top bolts. They're trying to fall out on me. Actually, I'm just going to get them all out of the way. Don't want to lose those because I don't think I have anything in my spare bolt store that's that long. So sweet. So we can lean it out of the way without unplugging it because that connector's trying to break on me. We don't want to go there. Alright, now you're going to have two 10mm bolts on the housing itself. Now, I didn't disclose. Make sure the engine's completely cooled off before you do this. That way there's no pressure and you don't get burnt. Take your two little bolts out here. Just pop it off. And you're going to lose some coolant. You ain't going to lose much because it sits up so high. And if your thermostat don't want to come out easy, just grab your flathead screwdriver here. Pop it out of the housing. Look at that. Wow. That completely came apart. Good stuff. What's the rest of it? That's what I'm wondering. Oh, there it is down there. Let's grab some needle nose pliers. Or a magnet. Get the rest of that out of there. Wow, I haven't seen one this destroyed in a while. Go down in there for any more pieces. I don't feel anything. Grab our new thermostat here. Grab your hose. Actually, I'm going to push it in here. Doesn't matter which way you put it. I mean, it matters which way you put it. The spring faces downwards. I don't even think it'll let you put it in wrong. No, it won't, so. I'm saying the circular pattern. Doesn't matter how you put it in there. You're not going to lose too much coolant, so. A half a gallon should be sufficient to top it off. Lock her down. I hope I didn't trap myself with this throttle body. I did. I'm a dork. So, that's something to look out for. My mistakes. make y'all not make mistakes. No big deal. Let's get this up and out of our way. Now, try this again. Just lay it right there. Loaning out tools. The first car of the morning. It's still dark out. It's early. Haven't had any caffeine yet, so. At least it's an easy first car of the morning job. I'll give him my glove back. Start him a couple turns. Grab that 8. Like that. Pop our boot back on, plug our sensor back in, push the locking tab down. Grab Mr. No Spill here and start filling her up. Now you're going to spill a little coolant on the belt. If you want to rinse that off with a little bit of water, you can. Take my little bottle of water here. Get some of that off. It might squeak a little bit whenever you first start it up. But once that rubber heats up, it'll burn that off. Hopefully the key's still in here from last night. And it is. Start her up. I usually turn the heater on, turn on defrost, whatever, doesn't matter, defrost her face. I'll reset the code after this video. Like that, that'll help bleed it out if any air got in there from the heater core. And when the heat starts blowing nice and hot, you're good to go. And just make sure your no spill funnel still has a little bit of coolant in it, indicating it's full. Anyways, I'm gonna quit babbling on. I'm gonna get me some caffeine in me. I hope y'all like this video. Y'all please check like, please subscribe. Have a good day. Peace out.